Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make stuffed baby squash for Halloween. Let's get started. Preheat the oven at 400 Fahrenheit. For my recipe, I use Carnival Squash. Cut off the top. Scoop out the seeds. Brush vegetable oil all over the skin. Then roast them for 30 to 35 minutes. After 30 minutes, let's check them. Set aside, let them cool down. To cook the filling, you need unsalted butter, brown beech mushroom, crab meat, shred some cheese, breadcrumbs, a little salt, black pepper, oregano, finely chopped parsley, scrape off some pumpkin, then chop them. Now I'm going to cook the filling. Melt the butter in low heat. Add the brown beech mushroom. Add the chopped squash. Then add the crab meat. For seasoning, add a little salt, black pepper, oregano. Mix well, then turn off the heat. At this point, preheat the oven at 400 Fahrenheit. After turn off the heat, add the finely chopped parsley, breadcrumbs, and the cheese. Mix them well. Transfer the filling to the squash. Then cover them. 10 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit. Time is up, let's check them. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So this stuffed baby squash cost me just over $13. I'm going to enjoy this treat for Halloween. Thanks for watching my video.